Now let us discuss the concept of probability of event not happening. That means the event will not occur. Suppose there are suppose we have an experiment in which there are n outcomes. Then that means there are n outcomes, and out of which we can say m outcomes are favorable outcomes. That means if in an event we have n outcomes and m are the favorable outcomes, then the number of unfavorable outcomes will be equal to n minus m, because the favorable outcomes are m and the total outcomes are n. So the unfavorable outcomes are n minus m. So the probability of event not occurring, that is E dash, is equal to number of unfavorable outcomes upon total number of outcomes. So it is equal to n minus m upon n, or we can say n upon n minus m upon n, or 1 minus m upon n, which is equal to 1 minus probability of event happening. So we can say that if we want to find the probability of event not happening, we should know the number of unfavorable outcomes, and we have found it to be n minus m, and on solving I got that probability of event not happening is equal to 1 minus the probability of event happening. So if probability of event not happening is again is greater than 0 and greater than equal to 0 but less than equal to 1. So we can say if an event is the probability of an event occurring of an event is P of E, then the probability of not occurring is 1 minus P of E. So this is how we can find the probability of event not happening. Now let us apply the concept to find the probability of event not occurring. For example, an experiment is done 340 times, and out of which 160 are favorable events. That means an event was done 340 times, and out of which 160 are favorable events. We are supposed to find the probability that the next outcome is unfavorable. We are given a question that the total number of outcomes are 340, and out of which the favorable are 160, and we are supposed to find the probability of that the next outcome will be unfavorable. So for this, the total number of total outcomes is equal to 340, favorable outcomes is 160, unfavorable outcomes is 340 minus 160, it is equal to 0, 8, 180. So probability of event not occurring will be equal to 180 upon 340, and it will cancel out. We will divide it 9 and 17. So it will be 9 upon 17. The probability of event not occurring is 9 by 17. The other way to solve this problem will be to find the probability of event occurring. That means favorable cases are 160 upon 340. I will get 8 upon 17. So the probability of event occurring of the event is 8 by 17. Probability of event not occurring is 1 minus probability of occurring. It will be 1 minus 8 by 17, which will be 9 by 17. So this is how we can, one way is to find the probability by taking the number of unfavorable cases and dividing by total number of cases, or the second method can be to find the probability of the occurring of the event and then subtracting that probability from 1, we will get the probability of the event not occurring. So we can calculate the probability of event not occurring by both the cases. In the first case, we will first find the total number of unfavorable cases and will divide the number of unfavorable cases by the total number of cases, and we will get the probability of event not occurring. The other way is to, we will first find the probability that the event can occur, and we will subtract this probability from 1, so that we can get the probability of the event not occurring, because we know that probability of event not occurring plus probability of event occurring is equal to 1, because either the event will occur or it will not occur. So probability of event not occurring plus probability of event occurring is equal to 1, because whenever an event happens, either the event will be a favorable event or the event will be an unfavorable event, because we can say either the event will occur or the event will not occur. So because they are the both are the mutually exclusive events, so the probability of occurring the event plus probability of not occurring is always equal to 1. So whenever we are supposed to find the value of, we are supposed to find the probability of event not occurring, one way is to directly calculate the number of unfavorable cases and divide it with the total number of cases, or in the other way we can find the probability of occurring the event and then we will subtract this probability from 1 and we will get the probability of event not occurring.